Hi, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to install updates on your computer because this is very important because it will solve a lot of the issues we have been seeing happen recently, especially around Wi-Fi dropping and issues with the monitor. Um, every week you should check to make sure that you install updates because on Wednesday nights Microsoft sends out updates to their computer. So on Thursday or Friday, make sure you check for updates. And to do that, all you do is go down to the type here area and say check for updates. You can either check for updates that way, or you can just go to updates. And as soon as you check that, you'll see something that looks like this. So you click on that. And then you'll see that you'll either get something that will say your updates are all up to date. You'll get something that will say like install updates. Or with mine, you're seeing that I need to restart. So I've gotten some of the updates, but I need to restart my computer. So all you do is you scroll down here and you hit restart now, and it will restart your computer and put in all those updates. So right now I've been having trouble with my computer's internet dropping. There's an update in there that will take care of that. Very simple. All you do, I'm going to do it again for everybody. Go to the search button, go to updates, go to check for updates, and then you would scroll down to restart now or install now, whatever is showing up. I hope this helps. Remember to do this on like Thursday or Friday every week because it is going to help you with any problems that we're having. Thanks. Oh, also, one more thing that is very important. All of these videos that I'm making for you, I put on this Wakelet. So I will put all of our tech tools or tips onto this Wakelet for you. So you will see different tips and tutorials that will help you with all the products that we support as in Verona as tech integrators. And so always check for updates on this Wakelet, and I will be sending you the link for that too. So remember, on Thursday or Friday, make sure to check for updates. It's going to solve a lot of your problems.